Alright, gonna be doing a bit of an unboxing. So this is a bunch of stuff that my homie in California, Overkill EDC, sent me. So I'm in Canada. A lot of people don't really want to ship stuff over to Canada. So I'll get stuff sent over to Overkill. And so it's kind of accumulated over the days, and got quite a bit of stuff here. So here is the box. It's a big old beast. Sorry I don't have the best camera angle here. I just got my cell phone. I don't really have a proper stand or anything, so we're making it work. Item number 1. The good old carbon fiber Olight i3T EOS. I got this actually right when they dropped. Pretty excited to get into her. Little freebie Olight. Tactile Designs Tech Liner pen. One of the magnetic jobs. I really enjoy fidgeting with these bad boys. Can't remember where this one dropped, but it's got like the twist grip. Twist at the top. I have already one of the bigger Ultem ones. This guy. So it's gonna be nice to. Oh, I guess they're both the same size. I thought that was a shorty. Guess I'll have to figure out which one I like the most. Alright, next up. This is... can't even remember. Nottingham or Fellholter, one of those dudes. They both are very similar, so not really sure. I don't know what this is. A little bag of something. Sweet. Clicky, clicky. Cool, this is my first Nottingham. Stoked to try this out. Right off the bat, I'm digging the size. Nice and short. It's a little fatter than most of my pens, but that grip is really nice. Get this stuff out of the way. Another pen. It's another tech liner by Tactile Designs. This one is in, it's like a champagne finished brass. Pretty damn cool. Here's the lid. Gives it a pretty cool look, all skeletonized. Another pen here. This is the Deep Space from Tactile Turn. Let's see what mine looks like. Oh, that's sick. Digging the way the nebula came out on the Cerakot. And let's fuck up the finish right off the bat. And just drop it. Pretty groovy. This is my first side click actually. It's pretty cool. dig it. Okay, what do we got next? Let's see what this is. Oh, nice. It's an abalone lighter case with some mother of pearl flower there. Goes all the way around. It's like a nickel silver base. So pop a lighter in. Now I'm no longer ratchet. I'm certified cool guy. This is an old Florence lighter. It's missing a piece, which I didn't really realize until I bought it, but maybe I can figure it out. Grab one of them pieces. Alright, next up, Northwoods Fall Creek fixed blade. Comes with the little it's a polishing cloth and a sticker, and then a little sheath. No attachment. It just kind of drops in the pocket. Might get a custom. Who knows? So that's in kudu bone. Pretty neat little fixed blade. That'll go so well with my kudu Northwood slip joints. I think this might be the last pen. Take out my trusty SPK Lamia V4 and LMAX. Just got this bad boy in today, actually. Just so happened that this package and this knife came in on the same day. Cut this guy open. Kind of interesting the way these boxes are. You just kind of slide it out, and then it's got this little magnetic flap with some extras, and then there is the pen. This is the Cerakot Orange Edition. Not quite the color of orange that I was expecting. It's kind of got a little bit of like a almost like glittery metallic kind of a look to it. And then that also comes with a tool so that you can unscrew the top. Alright, let's get a knife for you. It's a Mayer and Grosch by Great Eastern Cutlery. I believe this is the 86. Damn. This thing is smoking hot. Look at that bone, look at that shield, and it's a harness jack. This one is done beautifully. Love just about everything about this knife. Man, that's sick. And then the punch, big old long punch. Look at that. Gorgeous. So pumped about this one. Whew. There's another one in that package. Also, it comes with this little Mayer and Grosch kind of felt bag. Oh, sick. I've been wanting this bad boy for a long time. This is the CWF, Charles Wiggins, can't remember the F, but Arcadian Click, or Arcadian Micro Click. I got this one used off eBay. Got it for a pretty good price. This is a nice big bag of vintage traditional knives, non-locking slip joints. Let's see what's in there. Number one, I think this is a Camillus. Nice bullet end jack or swell end jack. Oh yeah, nice action. Blade, lots of blade left. It's in good condition. And then the secondary, lots of blade left on that too, pretty good condition. Let's see what she snaps like, shall we? Great action. Not really much gaps to speak of. And that was made early 1900s. What's next? Got an old Rem. Love me an old Remington. Cerakot Barlow. 2 blades. Bone. That beautiful Cerakot bone. I don't know if you can see it very well, but man, it's nice. And then it's got a nice clip point with the nail nick. Not the most full blade, but still lots of life left in her. And then the secondary, not too shabby. Give her a snap. Yeah, Remingtons usually have great action. next. Oh shit. I don't know if this is a reproduction. I'm almost positive that this is a reproduction, and I kind of got scammed on that, thinking it was vintage. It's a Cerakote. I should have looked into that one a little more, but now I know. So that one will likely be for sale. Whew. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Big old kind of English style jack. Long pulls. Oh shit, that's a nail breaker. On that secondary, this main blade is alright. What is this one? It's a Crown Cutlery, New York. Still lots of blade left for that main. See if I can get this secondary open. There we go. Nice long secondary spear. The bone, man, it's a lot nicer than I can probably get it in this shitty video. Sorry. Wham. How's that for some snap? Beauty. Next up, got this gorgeous dogleg jack. Look at the wood grain. Beautiful wood. Pretty good shape, that blade. Lots of spear left. And then the secondary, not too bad. Nice action. What a beauty. Oh, this is really cool. It's an old Utica Girl Scout or Junior Scout. There we go. Some nice old school pick bone on it. Nice bail. Bottle opener. Screwdriver. That one needs to be cleaned out. It's a little seized up. Hopefully I can get her going again. And the main blade, nice long pull on her. Lots of life left in it. Can opener. I think this needs a good oiling. Flushing. Can opener, I think, should have some life left in it. And then there's one more, there's the punch. Here's the punch. So cool. My first Girl Scout or Junior Scout knife. beauty. Got a sweat going. What do we got here? Oh, I've got some miscellaneous, some Barlow Bearcat stuff. Shout out Logan Stout. AKA Knife Thoughts, Barlow Bearcats. Shout out to my boys. BB, official member, get some. Sick ass sticker. Big ass clip Barlow. Here's a little Meritac Ultem topo box. It's magnetic, I think. Or no, it's got little detents in there. See that little detent? To close her up. Kinda neat. I do love me some Ultem. Nice and light but solid. It's got a bit of a half stop here, so to speak. Neat. Not sure what this is. Boach Boys. Oh yeah, these are just these little they're for your pouch or whatever. Has loop. It's got some of those chem lights. I thought they were kind of neat. Something different. A few of them. You can just stick them on your pouch or whatever. Has the loop. Those are from Patch Platoon. In case you were curious. It's for the CWF light. Micro click. This is a scapular from Sneak Reaper and Ed's Manifesto. Pretty sick. So you can store little things in here, carry them around. It's kind of like escape and evasion gear. Cool, my official Barlow Bearcat member number, number 65. Always big shout out to Boss Steel Blades. The homie Joel, really good dude, hooks it up. Check out bosssteelblades.com. Nice custom Victorinox Rambler with the Spidernox Spyderco blade and some stone washing. I got a pair of scales already, some natural micarta canvas that I want to throw on this bad boy. You shall see that eventually in the future. Oh, nice. Some Greg Stevens design lanyard, leather lanyard beads, for lack of a better word, and then the lanyard cords, some nice leather, pretty sweet. This is from that Tactile turn. The space one. Some River's Edge Cutlery stickers, Tactile turn, Greg Stevens design card, Knife Thoughts sticker. What else we got? Western leather for traditional knives, sage grouse leather. River, he's awesome. He's got awesome stuff. I haven't got around to getting one yet, but it's on the list. Cool little River's Edge cutlery pen they must have thrown in with something I got. And then a little add-on extension for my lumen top. This guy. Make her a little longer, a little more battery. Okay, what do we got next? Got a whole bunch of GECs in here. But I also have some more vintage knives. Nice little wrap full. First up, this is a Pritzlaff. John Pritzlaff, I believe, if I'm remembering correctly. I thought it was really neat. I've never seen a dogleg jack with a sheep foot mane. Nice long pull too. Sick little single bomb shield with the bullet end jack, the bullet end there. Thought that was really unique, and I got it for I think a pretty good price. It's a big chunk out of the tip of the blade there, but that's alright. Most of my vintage knives I more have to look at and enjoy and appreciate. I don't feel like should I be the one to use this and like really run it into the ground? I don't really want to do that. Like, they're such special pieces of history. There are some that are users, I think, and then some, I don't know, I'd rather just preserve the history. To each their own. Ooh, this beauty. Some really cool pick bone on it. Someone must have done a bit of polishing, because it is looking good. Nice little rat tail bolster at the top there. Nice pick bone. It's not going to look great here, but trust me, it looks a lot better in person. Let's see what that main blade looks like. Oh yeah. It's pretty sweet. Someone's definitely done some polishing on this bad boy. And then the secondary, not too bad. Yeah, that's a no, sorry, this is a WH Frankfurth Hardware, not a Pritzlaff. Okay. Next up, this beautiful New York Knife Co. Equal end cigar. Beautiful, beautiful bone. So it's got two blades. It's a hammer brand. You might be able to make out a little bit of the etch there. Maybe Much easier to see in person, but yeah, blade's in pretty good shape. And then the secondary is on the other end, so it's more of a pen style knife than the jack. Quite a bit of that blade left. Nice snap on that one. Nice snap on that one. Beauty. Next up, nice bare head, swell end jack. Rough second blade. Let's see, what is this? Can't tell by that blade. Challenge. It's a challenge cutlery, I believe. Bridgeport connected cut. There's still quite a bit of blade left. Really nice wood on it. Which you probably can't really see. There, that side's a little easier. Nice action. Here we have another swell end. It's a Winchester. Lots of blade left. Same with the secondary. No gaps. Winchester made such good knives. Oh, this is cool. I've been wanting something like this for a long time. So this is like a mini pruner. So usually these are huge, like over 4 inches. This one's just like a 3 1/4 or so inch. Really neat pattern, I think. And this one is by Winchester as well. Really cool. See how she snaps. Very, very nicely. As I would expect from Winchester. That's cool with a shield too. Usually the pruners don't have a shield, but I guess this mini one is special. Oh yeah, this one, beautiful. Really cool, kind of half federal, half bomb shield. It's a neat one. And then that nice smooth wood with the, check out that two-tone. Really well put together. There's a gap there, but other than that one gap, very well put together. It's looking in really good condition. Let's see what this blade looks like. Nice. Not too shabby. And then the secondary. Little pen there. What a cool little knife. Snap. Snap. Oh, and this one is, it's an Ulster. Ulster, New York. Alright, I think this is the last vintage. I think that's the last vintage knife. Really nice bail on this sailor's knife, rope knife. It's got the two little nicks there. This is, I believe, a Camillus. Nice long hole. Yeah, it's a sword brand, which was done by Camillus. Still lots of blade left. I always thought these were really neat. It's got the easy open notch. Sword brand on the tang. I'm gonna need to clean that one up. No snap. Alright, that's it for vintage. I'm gonna hit stop and then I'll start another one, I guess, for the Great Eastern Cutleries. See you soon.